This is Tim Albright with an AVNation special. InfoComm 2018 is coming up shortly, and we are interviewing exhibitors, manufacturers who are bringing their wares, bringing their stuff to InfoComm 2018, June 6th through the 8th. With me today is Randy Lee. And Randy, before we get you, I want to kind of give it some somewhat breaking news. We're posting this on June 4th, and Randy has been with Revolabs for a number of years. And today, as of right now, Revolabs is rebranding and renaming themselves to Yamaha Unified Communications. So I guess congratulations, it's in order. And explain to folks why the rebrand.
Well, thank you for your appreciation. Yeah, it's a very exciting day for Revolabs now becoming Yamaha Unified Communications Incorporated. Yamaha purchased Revolabs about 4.5 years ago. And since then, we've been looking at consolidating the product lines and bringing Yamaha products and being able to facilitate distribution worldwide. But we saw a real synergy between the engineering groups. Our latest product, the Yamaha CS700, was co-developed between our Sudbury, Massachusetts headquarters and Hamamatsu, Japan people. And because of that, and because the fact that Yamaha sees business communications as a real growth driver for them in the future, and also the fact that they created the Yamaha Unified Communications department within Yamaha corporate structure specifically to address this market, we decided to rename our company, bring it in under the fold, under the complete Yamaha name, really concentrate on the benefit of bringing professional audio to business communications, really to be able to be heard and hear clearly in all your business communications and make things more productive for all the people involved. And because of that, we are renaming. Revolabs will continue to exist only as a product brand. So we're going to continue to sell the Revolabs wireless microphone systems, the Revolabs Flex phones, and the other products. But all the new products will be coming out branded Yamaha. We have a great roadmap moving forward. We expect to see a continual rollout of new products moving forward, all under the Yamaha brand. And our division and our department will be really focused on bringing professional audio to the business environment.
Well, let's talk about some of those products. Again, you will be showing at InfoComm 2018, June 6th through the 8th, under the Yamaha Unified Communications name. You'll be in Hall N, North Hall 1227, N 1227. So as somebody's walking through the North Hall, they come upon the Yamaha Unified Communications booth. What exactly are they going to see?
Well, they're going to start seeing, they will see our complete line of conference communication systems that we currently have available for the business environment. They'll see our current product set, which is a suite of conference phones for offices environments, for huddle rooms, medium-sized rooms, large conference rooms. They'll see our wireless mic systems. They'll see our first video soundbar, which is really the first product that incorporates video into a Yamaha product. So it's an all-in-one wall-mounted solution announced last year. We're now shipping, and it's really seen some great product acceptance in the market, particularly because of the audio quality. But they'll also be seeing 2 new product sets that really shows that we're expanding the breadth of our product portfolio. We'll be announcing the Yamaha YVC200 personal USB phone. It's a small device. It's a small USB-powered phone, but it's got full echo cancellation, full noise reduction systems, all in a mounted DSP that connects simply to USB to your laptop, to your phone. It's got NFC as well as Bluetooth connectivity. It's also portable and wireless, so you don't have it will be powered through USB, but it also has an onboard battery, so you can carry it around. And it's really meant to be for the road warrior, or for your home office, or for people who just want to play music as they're sitting outside. We're really looking at it as an extension of the business communication systems because the millennial crowd is starting to work from home now. And they want the options to work at home, go outside, sit at a picnic table, and have a conference, while the birds are singing or whatever outside. And that's really sort of the lower end of the entire product suite. But that's bringing the Yamaha science of sound to the personal space. On the large end, we're now offering a bundle, which we will be showing at the event. And what it's doing is we're actually bundling together the Revolabs Executive Elite wireless mic system along with a Yamaha DSP. It was called the MRX7D, which is really specified for conference audio because it's not only has capability for mixing and auto and noise cancellation and echo cancellation in a small package, but it also has sound masking capabilities for privacy, which is something that's really kind of unique in this space. That will then go through a Dante, I should say a PoE switch, using Dante to a set of line array speakers, Dante line array speakers, powered up on the wall, which is really going to be meant for large conference rooms. So you'll be able to have an 8-channel wireless mic system for large conference rooms. You'll have the line arrays up on the screen. You'll have a small rack mount system, fully pre-configured, so you don't have to go and go through the settings of the DSP and figure out how to modify it. We'll be setting up some preset configurations. But what we're doing is we're pulling in some of these other components that have usually sat inside the pro audio division, inside the commercial audio division. These line array speakers are actually new. They'll be seen for the first time commercially at the show. And it's really showing that we're now addressing the larger end. Yamaha has a different mindset when approaching this market because Yamaha has always been big in home audio, but also in large venue environments, retail spaces, auditoriums, big giant settings where they had to learn to create really good sound. And they're now bringing that knowledge, the science of sound, down to the smaller environment. And then figure out how do we make the best sound possible? How do we make it really to be the best solution possible for both hearing and voice capture? Versus, some of the other solutions that are out there, they kind of started off small and then tried to scale up. And sound is difficult, right?
Yeah.
Good pro sound is difficult. And we think that's really one of the big values of where we see Yamaha entering the space. And as Yamaha Unified Communications, we're going to be able to pull these things in. This bundle is the first one that's really starting to use the other aspects of Yamaha that we've kind of kept aside, and really looking forward to pushing into this market.
It's very interesting and very exciting time for you guys that have been with Revolabs for many, many years. So
yes,
if somebody is not attending InfoComm, again, June 6th through the 8th, but they want to keep track of what everything that Yamaha Unified Communications will be rolling out that week and beyond, how do they do that?
Well, the main thing is to sign up for our website, right? Make sure you bookmark it. It's going to be called uc.yamaha.com. Okay. So we're actually going to be a subdomain of the yamaha.com domain, but we will be really focusing all on business communications in that space. And we'll be having some other social handles coming out, and those will be available on the new site when we launch on June 4th also.
All right, very good. Randy Lee from Yamaha Unified Communication. Again, you can find them if you're going to the show, North Hall 1227, N1227. For us here at AVNation, you can go by avnation.tv. avnation.tv. Follow along as we also head to Las Vegas June 6th through the 8th and bring you everything from the InfoComm show floor. All that and more at avnation.tv. avnation.tv.